Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, power steering, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, wipers, variable speed intermittent. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.